Hello everyone, and welcome back to our YouTube channel Windowz Tech. Today, we have an essential tutorial for all the Windows users out there. We'll be addressing a common issue that many of you might have encountered: Windows Update Error 0x80070003. Don't worry, we've got you covered with a simple step-by-step troubleshooting guide to fix this pesky error once and for all. Before we jump into the troubleshooting steps, let's quickly understand what error 0x80070003 actually means. This error code typically indicates that there is a problem with Windows Update components or corrupted system files, preventing your system from installing updates properly. Let's get started. Step 1. Restart your computer. First things first, the age-old advice: have you tried turning it off and on again? Yes, that's right. Restarting your computer can sometimes work wonders by clearing temporary glitches and errors. So, go ahead and restart your PC to see if that resolves the issue. Step 2. Check your internet connection. Now, let's check your internet connection. A stable and reliable internet connection is crucial for Windows Update to work correctly. Ensure you have a working internet connection, and if you're using Wi-Fi, consider connecting your computer to the router with an Ethernet cable for a more stable connection. Step 3. Run Windows Update Troubleshooter. Windows comes with some handy built-in tools, and one of them is the Windows Update Troubleshooter. To access it, go to Settings, then Update and Security, and finally, Troubleshoot. Look for Windows Update in the list and run the troubleshooter. It will automatically detect and fix common issues related to Windows Update. You can see it's trying to detect if any problem is there. If detected, it will show over here. Now you can close this window and go to the next step. Step 4. Clear Windows Update cache. If the troubleshooter didn't do the trick, let's try clearing the Windows Update cache. To do this, we need to stop the Windows Update service first. Open the Run dialog. You can do this by pressing the Windows key +R, type in services.msc, and hit Enter. Look for Windows Update in the list, right-click on it, and choose Stop. Now, open File Explorer and navigate to C:\Windows\soft_TWA redistribution. Delete all the files and folders inside the software distribution folder. Deleting will just take few minutes to complete. Hang in there. Once done, go back to the Services window, right-click on Windows Update, and select Start. This will restart the Windows Update services. Now you can close this window. Step 5. Run SFC, System File Checker, scan. Corrupted system files can also lead to update errors. Let's run an SFC scan to identify and repair those files. Open the command prompt as an administrator by searching for CMD in the Start menu, right-clicking on Command Prompt, and selecting Run as Administrator. In the Command Prompt window, type SFC/scan now and press Enter. The scan might take some time, so be patient. If any issues are found, the tool will automatically fix them. The scanning process has begun. Just give it a few minutes to scan all the corrupted files. Be patient. Congratulations! You've made it through all the troubleshooting steps. We hope that one of these methods helped you fix the Windows Update error 0x80070003. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to give it a thumbs up and subscribe to our channel for more tech tutorials like this. If you have any questions or other tech-related topics you'd like us to cover, let us know in the comments below. Thanks for watching, and happy computing!